Your Health Matters. North Caddo is canceling classes tomorrow due to a flu outbreak there. North Caddo Medical Center confirms the flu, stomach virus, and strep is going around in that area. According to North Caddo's Facebook page, North Caddo Elementary and Middle will be closed tomorrow as numerous students and staff continue to fight the illness. One faculty member who did not want to be identified told NBC 6 News 134 students and 15 staff members were out sick on Thursday. Classes will resume on Monday.